Booking a plumber has never been so easy at Oceanside Plumbing, and having a plumber that actually arrives on time is even better. First, you make the call.
Good morning, Oceanside Plumbing.
The job is then dispatched to the nearest available plumber, and our courteous plumber arrives in no time. Oceanside Plumbing specialises in all plumbing maintenance, including leaking hot water heaters, burst pipes, and any other plumbing repair work. So remember, if you need a plumber straight away, call Oceanside Plumbing. One's with the dolphins on the van.